Hi everyone, good morning. So, let's eat. I have my tomato and I will put so, sukang pinakurat. Pinakurat. My daughter made it for me. Let's try. Let's shake it first. Princess May, can you hand can you hand over me a spoon? Please. Spoon, please. Please. Spoon. Spoon.
Alam mo, nakabuka mo ka mo.
Make it faster na, please. Lang. Sige na lang. Ang binabi ako. Kandali lang ba? Thank you. Thank you lang. Thank you. Fine. Sorry, princess. Ako ra ba ni ipos? Hoy, ako ra ba ni ipos? Woo! Sour and spicy. Lang. Mga unta lang. Ka lang. Mga unta lang na. Namay kaya na ikinilaw lang. Pero wala ikinilaw lang. My daughter cooked egg. And she born it. Princess May, are you mad with that egg? Are you mad with the egg? Why did you burn the egg? What happened? Too much fire? Lamig ka lang. Itlog kapagong lang. Oh, nato sa kong anak lang. Iyang gi sobrang sugnod lang. Mura na akong kaon lang. Pagka alas 2 sa gabi ilang lang, mga matag kaon lang. Kagutom kayo lang.
Uy, yung sunggaban baka gabi ra ba?
Lang. Gahan kang kamats lang, oy. Kabulo pila na lang. So, more lang. Bye-bye lang. Mukhaon sa ko lang. I will recommend this lang. Binakurat lang. Ayoko top deep rice. Kaya matintal ko ano lang.